She had no choice but to sue her good friend as a result of this car accident. You want to know why? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. Let me share with you why this woman who was involved in a car accident had to sue her good friend. The two of them were friends from work. They were going from work to get some lunch. And now my client was in the passenger seat. And on the way to get lunch, the driver is making a left-hand turn. And rather than stop and wait until the oncoming traffic passes by, and now you have a clear opportunity to make your left-hand turn, instead, this driver, her good friend, miscalculated, misjudged the distance, misjudged the timing in which there was oncoming traffic. And instead, as she went to make her left-hand turn, what do you think happened? Oncoming traffic smashed right into the passenger side door, which is exactly where my client was sitting. My client suffered a significant fracture to her leg and needed surgery to fix that problem. So now, why did she have to bring a lawsuit against her good friend? Because her friend was careless. Because her friend misjudged. Her friend miscalculated. Her friend failed to see what was there to be seen. Her friend violated the rules of the road. And as a result of that, she had no choice but to obtain compensation against her friend's insurance company. Now, you should know she also had to bring a case against the driver of the oncoming car. Now, you might be saying, wait a second, if the driver of her own car was careless, why is the driver of the oncoming car also careless? The answer is because we were able to calculate that this driver should have had the ability to slow down in time to minimize the impact, and in fact never did. He never hit the brakes. Why not? Because he too was not paying close attention. He too violated the rules of the road. Both of these careless drivers contributed to the happening of the accident. And as a result, my client suffered significant injury. So, ask the question again, why did she have to sue her good friend? She had to sue her good friend in order to obtain compensation from the car in which she was a passenger in. Otherwise, she never would have been able to get fully and fairly compensated for all the injuries that she suffered because of someone else's carelessness. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit but haven't done so yet and you have questions that need answers first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.